Yo guys, what's up? So, this is your boy, Rob Fitness. It's my first day. Actually, hindi pa naman first day. Okay, so today, ang gagawin natin, we're gonna try to achieve 72 hours of fasting. So, I am currently 2 hours in. So, meron pa akong 70 hours. Titingnan natin kung kakayanin ko. So, i-document ko lahat ng gagawin ko from now. It's already November 10. So, titingnan natin hanggang November. So, it's 72 hours. So, it's about 3 days. So, ibig sabihin, Thursday ng gabi ang food intake natin. So, it's all just gonna be water, coffee, water, black tea. Yun lang ang pwede natin consume. So, itatry natin, tingnan natin. Ang current state ko ngayon, water retention is very high. Sobrang high. At nag-gain ako ulit ng weight. So, we're gonna cut it down again. So, let's do it. So, abangan nyo na lang guys. So, what's up guys? Good afternoon. Time check, 1:00 ng hapon. Shit. Napasarapan tulog, pero okay lang. Currently, 16 hours in sa fasting. Nakakaramdam ng gutom, pero we're just gonna get everything rolling today. So, first things first, ako ay siguro ng kape. Bibili ng kape sa baba at wala na kaming kape. And then after which na lang ako. Magre-review lang at meron akong activity mamaya sa simbahan. So we've gotta go there. Yun lang for today. I already did my weight check. Ang laki ng aking na-gain. So, nandun na yung natin. Nandun na yung objective of the group is to gain weight muna, to build mass, to bulk up. So, I'm ready at my bulk weight. So, ngayon, kakat down natin siya. So, our target is at least 15 before Christmas or before the end of the year. So, tatry lang natin. So, current state na ngayon is 93 kilos, pero tingnan natin kung makaka-down pa ba yan for the next few days. So, tune in guys. Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy, Rob Fitness. Meron tayong pagkakamali at back to zero tayo ng fasting kasi mali ang na-order ko na drinks kanina. Dapat pala walang sugar, na-order ko may sugar. Gago! So ngayon, it's exactly 12. Reset tayo ng fasting. So, back to zero. Pero hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin ako kumakain ng any solid food. Meron lang akong sugar sa katawan ngayon. So ngayon, ipa-flash out ko siya for another 24 hours and then hopefully the 72 hours fasting tutuloy pa rin natin. Alright, hindi ako titigil. Okay, gusto kong makita yung resulta. Gusto ko din patunayan sa inyo na even myself, I would do it. May pagkakamali man, we're gonna do it right this time around. So stay tuned guys, stay locked in. Yo, good afternoon guys, it's your boy Rob Fitness. Ito na naman tayo, day 2 actually, kasi nga nagkamali tayo ng fasting kagabi. So restart tayo, we're now 13 hours into fasting, but food consumption ko is since last November 10, 8 p.m. So I've been not having any food in my body for the past 41 hours. So gagawin pa rin natin yung actual 72 hours na fasting. So, it's just that there's additional hours na wala akong food consumption. Pero I think the result will still be the same. Yung pa rin yung goal natin to do a proper fast for 72 hours and let's see how the result will be. So ngayon, ang activity ko lang for today, nakagawa na ako ng kape. Ito siya. Ayan. So that's just brewed coffee. Nakagawa tayo today. Tapos, mamayang buong araw, starting from now, magre-review lang tayo for our exams and then hopefully makapasa tayo. And then after which, mga 5 o'clock gagayak tayo. We're gonna get ready to play some ball. So, di ko alam kung paano ko gagawin to kasi nga wala akong food intake. I'm on fasted state. So, titingnan ko kung anong mangyayari. But, we gotta work smart kasi wala tayong energy. So, we're gonna see how how my body's gonna take it kung ako ay may vigorous workout for today. So, yun lang naman na activities natin for yo guys. Time check. 7 o'clock ng gabi. Hindi tayo natuloy sa pag-basketball kasi biglang umulan. So, hindi tayo sa and then, ngayon, nakakaramdam ako ng hilo. Masakit yung bato ko. Pero, pwede na! Napaka-sluggish ng pakiramdam ngayon. Pero, push lang. Nakayanin natin to. 24 hours ulit. Tapos, technically 48 hours na akong walang consume pagkain na solid food. Kaso, ano pa lang, 20 hours pa lang ako, hindi, 19 hours pa lang akong naka-fasting. So, hindi ko alam kung ano, pero siguro kita naman sa itsura ko. Pwede na! Talagang nangihina na ako, pero kakayanin natin yan. Buti na lang walang basketball ngayon. Siguro, ano pa mangyari. So, tatry natin. Let's get it.
Gago!
Gusto ko lang i-remind sa inyo guys, it's okay to make mistakes, you know, but this time around, we're gonna work harder, we're gonna work smarter. So, yun lang. Stay tuned, stay locked in. Peace out. You boys, what up guys? Hindi ko na kinaya.